Welcome back to the Wisdom Tree. Get your listening skills ready because today's second skit is all about the details. Watch carefully.
Thank you so much for coming in on such a short notice. I just don't know what happened to Patrick, but listen, I need your translating skills at top notch because this is a really big client, okay?
You got it.
Big bonuses if everything goes well. Okay, you ready? Let's go. Okay. Here she is. Hola!
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, bien. ¿Y tú?
Great.
¿Cómo estás?
Good, right?
Yo también.
Great. Sit down.
Good afternoon, ladies. Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm well, thank you.
Great.
Would you like to start off with something to drink? Yes, miss?
Yo quiero
She's speaking.
agua caliente.
Aqua.
Oh, she wants a water,
Okay.
sparkling water.
Sparkling
Oh,
water.
good choice.
I'll have a espresso. Please.
Espresso. And for you, miss?
Can I get an orange juice, please?
Uh-huh.
As fresh as you can get. I mean,
Okay.
really squeeze them in there.
Okay, sounds good.
Oh, and a cup of ice on the side. Not in, on the side.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay, great. So, nice weather, huh?
The
Clouds. And El Sunshino. El Sunshino.
Oh, pardon me, ladies.
Thank you.
Let me just slide in here for a second. Okay, we have the agua caliente,
sparkling water.
sparkling water. We have the OJ.
Oh, thank you.
Pretty fresh. And side of ice. And the espresso.
Thank you.
All right, enjoy your drinks, ladies. I'll be back in just a moment to take your lunch order.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Clinky, clinky. To a happy new friendship. I think she likes it. Ah, great.
Agua caliente?
Yes, sparkling water. Sparkling.
Everything okay?
You know what? I think
Piano?
she wants an ice cube in the water.
Oh.
I think.
Just have to ask and give you a few.
you go.
Ready? Up, there we go. Few more? Maybe, oh, is that, okay. Gosh, she's good. Great. Okay.
Oh, pardon the interruption. Has everyone decided what they'd like?
Oh,
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yo quiero una solamente helado.
she wants the souffle.
Oh, no problem. Whatever you want.
So one souffle.
For you, miss?
Oh, yes, can I get a green salad? No dressing.
No dressing.
No dressing, no croutons. Can I get 3 cucumbers and 1.5 tomatoes, please, on the salad?
Sure, I'll do my best.
Thank you.
I'll just have the soup, please.
And the soup?
Thank
Sure,
you.
thank you, ladies.
Great. Should be good. I can't wait.
Yeah.
Food here is fabuloso. Know what I mean? Know what I mean?
Yes.
Water's, okay? Good. More ice? Okay. Maybe I'll take one. Would you like one? Okay. So, the business, maybe we can,
Good.
yeah, talk about, some, oh, yeah, she knows what that means. Everyone knows this. See, oh, in all cultures, really, just so welcoming.
Hi, ladies. How you doing?
Patrick, how are you?
How you doing?
So good to see you. I didn't think you were
I'm
coming.
sorry. It was the traffic.
No,
it kills
that's
me.
okay. Rita came in the last moment, saved us.
You're a
So
doll.
I know a little something.
You're a doll.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hola. Me llamo Patrick.
Patrick. Patrick.
Yeah, yeah.
Patrick.
So, do you mind? I'll step in if
No,
that
have
would
a
be all right.
seat.
Where are you so far?
We're just waiting for our food to get here.
Yeah, we ordered a little bit ago, just enjoying our
sipping on our
drinks.
drink.
Okay. ¿Qué es tu comida?
Solamente helado.
Helado?
And I had a
Souffle.
I ordered a salad and a soup.
How long you guys been here?
Just a little bit. I mean,
Mucho tiempo más.
20 minutes. Take 20 minutes to get a salad, a soup, and ice cream?
ice cream. Hmm.